Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made these bracelets using clamshell bead tips in elastic string. First off, these are the materials that I'll be using. I'm going to be needing 2 clamshell bead tips just like these. All the materials and all the details, sizes and information will be in the description box below if you're interested. You'll also need 2 lobster claw clasps just like these. I'll be using 2 different size jump rings. I'll be using a 6mm size and a 5mm size. And lastly, 2 crimp beads. This is my completed bracelet. I added all the beads that I wanted. Now it's time for the clamshell bead to go in. There are 2 ways you could do the next step. You can either use one of these crimp beads after the clamshell bead or make a knot. If you don't have any crimp beads, make a knot right after the clamshell bead and then close it up, making sure the knot stays inside. So that's another way you can use the clamshell beads in case you don't have a crimp bead, but for this bracelet I'm going to be adding a crimp bead. Press the crimp bead down tight and cut off any extra string you might have left. Now position the crimp bead right in the middle of the clamshell bead, and then simply close up the clamshell bead. For this side, the lobster claw side, I'm going to be adding a smaller size jump ring. This is a 5mm size jump ring, and then I'll be adding the lobster claw to it. After the lobster claw clasp, you're done with this side. Now you can move on to the other side. Now for the other side, the process is similar. You put in your clamshell bead first, then the crimp bead, and then you're going to be using the 6mm size jump ring instead of a lobster clasp on this side. Press the crimp bead down and cut off any extra string you might have left. Make sure the crimp bead is inside and you can close the clamshell. Lastly, for this side, we're going to be adding the 6mm size jump ring. And that's how you use clamshell bead tips for bracelets. For this particular bracelet, I use elastic string, but I also use or follow the same process for wire bracelets. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it useful. Thanks for watching. Bye!